Welcome to the demonstration of the Zavanti Feasibility software. The Zavanti Feasibility is designed to allow the user to create, measure and compare feasibility outcomes in relation to a construction project. A feasibility begins with the creation of a scenario. The scenario, when created, inherits the assumptions from the master project, which in turn can be individualized per scenario. Once feasibility has begun, navigation on the left-hand panel allows the user to modify the settings and parameters of the feasibility. On the right-hand side shows the current position and results of that feasibility. And from the bottom, the discount cash flow from the current feasibility also. Each feasibility has a series of tabs that the user accesses to create the variables for that feasibility for both cost as well as revenue. Each cost center line has mechanisms of workings as well as timeframes for the anticipated cost or revenue item. There's a start and end time, as well as other calculations as applicable, such as the recurrence of the cost spread, as well as any cost escalations that may be applied. The building of these transaction entry lines automatically populates the Gantt for each cost element, which can be time shifted, shrunken, and set dependencies from one to another, so as to allow the project manager to visually control elements and timing aspects of the project. This Gantt functionality will update the transaction entry and also update the discount cash flow effect on each cost and revenue item. The Zavanti Feasibility also incorporates functionality to allow the user to create syndicates and loan sets that can be then applied to each feasibility. The loan sets hold parameters such as the interest rates and the anticipated repayment or drawdown schedules, so as to work out, based upon the net cash flow position of each project, what the outcome on finance and interest will be. The Zavanti Feasibility also allows the user to create a sensitivity matrix with 3 output variables with the X and Y input items, and when calculated populates the matrix, which allows the user to quickly see and assess the changes in scope of the project. The final tab of the feasibility is the financial statement, which is effectively the profit and loss for the study. At all times, you can mouse over on the right hand side to check the current position and results of the project and to measure the discount cash flow. The modeling tool for the Zavanti Feasibility allows the user to then save each scenario and re-import it, so as to tweak and change the parameters of the particular and then compare them and measure them against each other to measure the most likely or most beneficial outcome of all of the projects. Each feasibility can be exported directly into a Word document template, which allows for the editing and modifications of the document. All assumptions and rules and results of each feasibility is displayed within this document automatically. Thank you for your time in viewing the Zavanti presentation of our Zavanti Feasibility product. If there are any further questions, please feel free to contact us on the information following.